Jafwambo Rita Tinina owito ngimane. Rita ma osetiyo kuom thuolo malach kendo manyaka thone nyotiyo kaka jachung weche e od fwambo mar NTV okwany ka otho e ode mantie Kileleshwa e buore ma Nairobi. Familia mare oyango ni gibiro golo report makare e wi tho mar Rita. Oywage gi jofwambo wetene mapare kuom tije maber kendo chuny mar dongruok. Bende opare kaka jafwambo manogeno familia kanyakla mar oganda kod oganda jo Kenya. Ringre okan e kar kano ringre ma Umash mantiere buore ma Nairobi.
This is a dark Sunday for us, not just at NMG, but as a media fraternity, even just by virtue of all those who are here to mourn our sister, Rita. It's very interesting that today she was meant to be on shift at NTV. She's one of the editors. It was her shift at work, but she didn't show up, and so after a couple of calls we got the unfortunate news that she'd passed on.
On behalf of the Pans family, this has really come as a shock to us. We are really trying to digest, and at the moment we just request for the privacy that is accorded to the family. More information will come later.